We will teach you how to properly use the exam platform. Notes: the exam can only be taken on a laptop or personal computer. Before you begin, make sure you have a laptop or personal computer with the recommended specifications: Intel Core i5 or equivalent, 8 GB random access memory. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, a functioning camera, active audio, and that Google Chrome is installed on your devices. Don't forget your ID card. Okay, let's learn how to properly use the exam platform. Open Google Chrome browser. Access the link e-learning.barlichedrenshaus.com/Moodle. Log in using your Qubit account. Once Qubit is open, click on the exam menu to be redirected to the exam site. Log in to the exam site using your MyCH account. Click View Exams. Select the subject for which you wish to take the exam, then click Start Exam. For example, I will try the trial exam. Type I confirm and press Confirm and start. Press Enter full screen and start exam, and listen to the principal's message until it finishes. Press Continue. You will then be prompted to take a photo. Make sure you are facing the camera and press Begin Camera Test. If your photo looks good, press Confirm. Next, you will be asked to capture your ID card. Simply hold your ID card up to the camera and the system will automatically capture it. After that, press I accept, begin exam now. At this stage, click Enter screen. Then click Share, and you will be able to start answering the exam questions. Once all questions have been answered, you can press Finish attempt to end your exam session.